So in this video I'm going to do something new. In general we try to upload files or like open files using this utility. So VESTA provided one more facility that you can just simply drag a file and like this. So okay, I was checking everything is working fine or not. So yes, it is working fine. So now I will show something new. And let's see what else we can do. So I think this space filling, so this is kind of space filling model. Polyhedra, I think Polyhedra will not come. Wireframe you can choose with less resolution, then stick, ball and stick, I think. So these are some more facilities or some more options that Vista provide. I think now what I should do is I should extend it. So there is an option called boundary, and I don't think so. You will see this because of my video, my picture is coming in that option. So I will just try to work in that, but let's see how we can how we can maximize it or how we can extend it. So you can see now our system is extended, but it is not extended in such a way that if you just write postcard file, so it will again show only 4 atoms. So let me just export. Just I will add 1 to that, and I will try to just show you. Okay, in Cartesian I will just save it in Cartesian, and I will just show you how it is in, even like we have we have extended the boundaries, but still it is there are 4 atoms. So there must be something that we can do to like increase the number of atoms or create a supercell. So that option I will come maybe later or maybe in this video also. So now let's see how many planes we can, like how to visualize the planes. So you have to go to lattice planes. So I think the basic plane is 100. Just I will just try to minimize it so that everybody can just see. Okay, so 100. So 100, it is containing the A layer. Now we can just change this option to 0, so you will see this option will shift. 0.5 if you see, so it will come to this, and if you see 1, then it will go to this, and if you just use 1.5, so this way you can have 100 plane. Now next plane I think is it will be quite easy, but I will try to show all the planes, maximum possible planes. So this is okay. I will change the color. So as I told you, blue is my favorite, but I think the because atoms colors are blue, so it will merge. So let me use the screen option. Okay, perfect. So green and red. So any other plane you want to see? I want to see, not you want to see, because I am making this video for teaching purpose. So I am teaching to myself, and with that you can also learn. So let's create a 110 plane. Which what will be the option? I think pink we can use. Pink. Now if you see, so it will be there. So let's shift this green plane to 0. Let's see what will happen. Now you see this is on this face, and now we will shift this pink plane to 0. Let's see what will happen. So 1 and 100 plane, if you see, they are just this 100 plane, it is showing in the diagonals. You see, this is the 100 plane, and which is very normal because 100 plane will be in that direction. So let's see, just can we just go to 0.5? Yeah, 0.5. Now it will be perfect. and yes, so it is containing the face atom, so it is 110 plane. Now I will just delete these planes because then otherwise the structure will be very complicated, or you cannot able to visualize the planes. So let's say now we have to see one plane, one one. Okay, so one plane will be containing the diagonal atoms. So it is around point 0.5. So let's just make it 1. Okay, now fine. This is containing this diagonal atom is this to this. So diagonal atoms you can see, and yes. So diagonal is this. It is now. It is very good to see that this is diagonal atoms and it is showing. Okay. Now other thing we can do. Okay, let me just also delete it. And why I will just giving it, so you will see it in the next classes. So that's the way you can see the plane. Now the last option is, suppose we want to just create it like supercell which is extended. So we have another option. I will just decrease the boundary now. I will make it to 1 and 1 so that original structure can be restored. Now apply, let's apply. This is our original structure. Now I have to just extend it. So there is option called transform. We have to go to unit cell, and I think unit cell you have to go to transform and just write to in whatever direction you want. This is a transformation matrix, so I think everybody, I think most of you will know this transformation matrix. If you don't know, then please comment. I will try to make a separate video on transformation matrix. So now we see, oh, now it is extended. So people will say it is looking like this simple cubic structure. So let's do something so that it look better. You can see that it will try to like okay, so there is one more thing, because FCC is a ABC type structure. So let me just show you this thing, that how you can actually make it understand by this VESTA. So let's create a lattice plane which is, I think, 100, not 100, not 100. I want just plane which is just perpendicular to this place. So I will just use 111. I think we can use. So 111 we are using, and I am just creating a plane. Okay, so this is actually much. It is much better. Now just edit this plane. I want it to be in good plane, so let me just give it 0.5. 0.5, okay, 0.5. So this is 0.5. So suppose this is your first layer. This is your first layer. Then next layer will be on, like, because it's an ABC type structure. So if you try to see along this direction, so A, B, C, A. So A, and if you just go to translate it. So after third layer it will repeat. So this atom and this atom is exactly at the same position if you see. And this is just translation symmetry. So you can see after in FCC structure, after ABC pattern, the structure repeat itself. So this you can also see. Now final thing is we have to just write and export data. Now in this way we just writing 2 into 2 into 2 file. So it should be 4 multiplied by 8. I think it should be 32. Yes, so it is 32. Now you know how to create a supercell for a simple structure, and I think I hope you enjoy this video.